ways to reduce your children's cold and cough this winter. Very first is AMLA. AMLA has its own immune modulator which helps the kids to develop an immune system to avoid cold and cough. How can you give it to them? You can give it to them in the form of murabbas or achars or even in the form of salad. Number 2. Mix few drops of eucalyptus oil in some coconut oil. Mix them well and then use it to massage on your kids' chest, back and the soles of their feet. During cold, it helps them to have a better breath. Number 3. Give your kids at least one boiled egg every day, especially when they are suffering from cold and cough. This gives their body some natural warmth and helps them to recover soon from this cold. Number 4. What you need to do is take a bit of ginger, boil it in a glass of water, and once it's boiled, just make sure to give at least 3 to 4 tablespoons of this water to your child. When they are suffering from cold, it helps to relax the muscles, and this is what they need to breathe and swallow the food which they are unable to. Number 5. Concoction. Make a concoction of honey, some grinded pepper and some haldi. Mix them well and make sure to give them 1 tablespoon. The anti-inflammatory property of these ingredients helps them to get a relief from cold and to build up their immune system. Lastly, make sure to take them out in the sun in the bracket of 11 AM to 2 PM, which will help their bodies to build up that immune system. Stay healthy, stay happy.